Well, how are we going to figure out what all the edge cases are? When the industry started, they said they were going to public road test, and if they did enough testing, they would see all the problems and they would fix them and they'd be good to deploy. We're years and years and years later, and eventually the companies figured out that that wasn't enough. It's good for identifying the easy cases. Getting that first 90%, yeah, it's pretty straightforward because stuff you see every day, well, you're going to see it every day, you can train on it, you can fix it. But the rare cases, the events, are an issue, and more importantly, it's both expensive and potentially dangerous. Uber ATG found this out the hard way in Tempe, Arizona. There's a photo from the crash investigation in which they struck and killed a pedestrian. Even though there were technical issues that contributed to the crash, in the final analysis, the problem was not technical. The problem was an inadequate safety culture. And that's when safety really became on the minds of a lot of the big players in the industry. To this day, there's still a wide variation across the different companies and how much they've learned from that crash.